Jody, Maddie, and UpTown Sound. Very nice to have them here at Yukon. Great band. Knew these guys for a long time. And hope to see them back here in the area because they do a fine job and play a lot of good tunes. Good old-fashioned tunes we all love. We're going to do a tune right now. It's called Life at Chicago. And this was recorded by Mr. Chet Kolokoski from Eddie Blazonczyk's Versatones years ago. And we're going to do it up for you. Here's one entitled The Life in Chicago Polka. All right, here we go, polka time. And nice to see so many people here. I hope you continue to come back to the Yukon Slovenian Hall here for many dances to come. It's a wonderful place to have a dance and to dance and have a good time.
And we're going to have Ray-J Yaroshitsky joining up with Jody Maddie's UpTown Sound. Ray-J's going to do a couple of vocals with the band.
Poleczki tańcują i po wszystkich halach wesoło śpiewają. Piosenki wesoło się mi podobają. Hej, wesoło życie ludzie tu tam mają.
Getting out there off the Harski out the Iceberg, Philly area. We had a chance to go to that Harski parade. If not, hopefully had a chance to catch it on Channel 6 down there. Hope you and the family are having a great Sunday. Far back Derrick Masses from the Stanton area. Barb, who has the polka show on 106.7 to 106 on Sunday morning from 7 to 10. Barb, thanks for joining us here on Facebook Live. We're in Yukon, Pennsylvania at the Yukon Slovenian Hall. And this is the Jody Maddie UpTown Sound from Farmer, Ohio in the Cleveland area. I want to say hi also to Bendelinko, watching us here live on Facebook. Ben, hope you and the family are having a great day. Enjoying your Sunday. Hope it's both a nice one.
Life in Chicago. We should say life in Pennsylvania here. In Ohio. All right, we're going to do one more tune. I gave Jody a deal. One song for $25, 2 songs for $45. So he took the $45, and he's got a coupon for next time. So it's a BOGO, but I want to get one free. We're going to do what entitled the Tattletale Polka, Poczkaj, Poczkaj, Bobie Mummy. Send it out to all the Pennsylvania people here. Good, nice to see a lot of the Fedor's Grove people and our out-of-town folks, Sullivanas, and also for Sue and for Larry, all the way here from Michigan. Made the trip all the way from Michigan. So we'll send this song out especially for those people and all the Fedor's Grove.
Hello out there, Tyler Wysowski again. Glad to see you back online. Joining us here at the Yukon Slovenian Hall. Got a little Ray J singing along with Jody and Maddie's Uptown Sound. And Shirley Zhiviet's out there from Michigan. Shirley, was great seeing you last week at the Polka Booster Club of America 56th anniversary dinner dance with Tony B. And say hi to Eddie. See New Brass Express doing a lot of great work in the area. Going to sing Poczkaj, Poczkaj with Jody Maddie's Uptown Sound.
Poczkaj, poczkaj, powiem wam nie, rzecz na dłużej, poda na mnie już. Mamie tego nie powiadaj, tylko lepiej w zimie siadaj już. Nie uciekaj duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko, Nie uciekaj duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko, Poczkaj, obiecuję, że ci tego nie daruję, nie. Moje dziewczę, nie bądź taka, lecz nie szkodek, daj burzaka mnie. Nie uciekaj, duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko, Nie uciekaj, duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko, Poczkaj, powiem mamie, że burzaka chcesz ode mnie, Moje dziewczę, nie bądź strona, nie mów mamie, a dla Boga, to już nasze rzecz. Nie uciekaj, duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko, Nie uciekaj, duszko, nie uciekaj, Wspinaj serduszko,
Jody, Maddie, and all Uptown Sound.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much. Uptown Sound, great round of applause for these guys. What's up, Judy? We'll be hearing Ray J carousels for December the 3rd, right here for the Christmas dance. So make plans for that. And Judy's going to be giving out free gifts, I think $20 bills in envelopes.
Favors, too.
We'll be here for that. All right, thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy the band.
Great job, Ray J. Great job.
Well, another round of applause for Polka Hall of Famer Ray Yadushinsky, Ray J. One of my heroes. I've been listening to him since I was in the womb.
And hi, Dave Dombrowski, watching here from Western PA. And as you can see, Ray J just stepped off the bandstand, did a couple of songs with Jody Maddie's Uptown Sound. And I hope you and the family are having a polka nice weekend. And if you want to catch Ray J singing with the band, you can always go back when the live feed here is finished, and you can watch it on the Memory.
Here we go right now. Here we go right now, featuring Troy Goff, walk on a vocal, as well as myself with the Lovely Girl polka. Lovely Girl.
Okay, for those that are tuning in.
Okay, don't forget we have a raffle coming up too. I think they're going to get to it maybe after a couple songs. Is that okay, Judy? Okay.
Just a reminder,
we're going to do one more
we're here
tune and then they're going to have the
Yukon,
another
PA.
raffle.
And this
Look it out,
is
here we
Jody
go with the
Maddie
Lovely
and
Girl
Uptown
polka.
Sound, and we're at the Ukrainian, we're at the Yukon Slovenian Hall here in Yukon, PA.
Domino's loves you, she's a big ship. Yeah, Domino's loves you, likes a big ship. Going up for the night, sing on, let's a big ship. Going up, use a big ship. Yeah, Domino's loves you, use a big ship. Yeah, Domino's loves you, likes a big ship. Going up for the night, sing on, let's a big ship. Going up, use a loves you, use a yeah, what a yeah, what you going to be again. More ship. It's like you, it's yeah, what a yeah, what you going to be again. More ship. Come on, yeah, Ma's amiga, come on, yeah, Ma's amiga, all the shit, what a yeah, what you going to get from. All the shit. Come on, yeah, Ma's amiga, come on, yeah, Ma's amiga, get it on. All the shit, what a yeah, what you going to get from. All the shit. Thank you very much. They're going to get ready to do the raffle. So we're going to turn the mic over to
And we'll be back shortly after the raffle's finished.